What's up, guys? My name is Dave, and today I got a brand new video for you guys. Today, we're going to be playing Valorant with the absolute worst crosshair I can possibly think of. It's going to be awful for me, but hey, it might be pretty fun to watch for you. So, let's try to make it. So here's my current crosshair, but we're going to have to mess that up a little bit. So this is what we have, and it looks terrible, but we're gonna go into some public matches to try to play with it and see if we can actually do something with it. But first, I'm gonna go into the practice and warm up the shot a little bit, you know what I'm saying? I gotta hit the headshots, I gotta hit those dingers, but something tells me it's gonna be a little difficult with this crosshair. Oh boy, oh no, oh no. All right, let's start the training course. Oh, that was a kill. That was a kill. I can barely see people with this thing. Where's the top of my... Okay. Part of my crosshair legit disappeared for a second. That's... Oh, no. Whenever I sprint, it's so big. And if I jump, even worse. Okay, let's plan. Oh lord, this is bad. Oh wow, okay, just kind of spawn. Okay, you know what? This might not be terrible. So that was fun, but now it's time to get into some actual matchmaking. Real pubs with real people. And most importantly, real crosshairs. Not the one I have. By the way, quick plug, little self-promotion. I do stream on Twitch. So if you want to watch me play some Valorant with, me and my friends and stuff in the Discord, it'll be linked in the description. Just click it, follow your boy. But you know what? While we're at it, while we're showing support, drop a sub! Drop a sub to the YouTube channel, man. A sub, a like, a comment. Because if you do comment, I respond to every single one. I mean every single one. Yes, that includes you too. Anyway, into the game. And it still looks horrible. I don't know why I thought it would look less horrible, but it still looks bad. Oh, you know what's funny? The shotguns have like a circle crosshair. So let's see what happens if I pick that. Oh, it's tiny now. Okay, forget about the shotgun. Let's grab the sheriff. Yeah. Oh yeah. Are you feeling it? Are you feeling it now, Mr. Krabs? Because this looks awful. Let's see if we can get some picks around here. Anyone up here? Whoa, there we go. That was a kill. Okay, all right. It's a new round. Let's try the Spectre. It might be a little bit better trying to get kills with a regular gun than like a pistol, because at least I know with this gun I can spray, which means maybe I might have a better chance at actually killing someone. I don't know. I did get a kill last round though, so I'm proud of myself, you know? Does not excuse the fact that my crosshair is absolutely dreadful. Oh, my ADS, it's even worse, dude. Look at that. Oh no, that's awful. Is there anyone up here? Not that I could see him. I hear a lot of footsteps. I hear so many footsteps up. I think there's a guy right around this corner. Or might have been. I don't even know. Nice. Let me just heal myself real quick. I'm about to clutch for the team with nothing but the shittiest crosshair in the game. No, I'm not. I gotta tell you, I'm having fun with my new crosshair, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm struggling with my new crosshair too. Let's see. Oh, walls up. Oh boy, I can't aim. Okay, you know, I about had it. I'm just gonna pause. You're gonna over here. We're just gonna. You can't leave game. Okay, fine. We're just gonna exit. Leave match in progress. Are you sure you want to? Blah blah blah. How many experiential players? No. Yeah, no. We're good. Confirm.